Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the HEPA filter in a Tesla Model Y. So it's in the frunk. Normally if you go into service mode or if you go on the app, it will say that your HEPA filter is due for replacement. I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to replace that and save yourself the money you have to pay at Tesla to get this job done. So the tools you're going to need from this is a 10mm socket or a spanner, and you'll also need a T20 Torx bit. And that's pretty much it. A flathead screwdriver actually as well to remove a pop clip. So first thing you want to do is pop the hood, or the frunk as Tesla call it, and then you want to pull up on this piece of plastic trim at the top here. And once you've done that, there's 4 10mm bolts that you need to remove the frunk. So we'll take you in and show you them now. Okay, so what we need to remove is the 10mm bolts that are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before you go trying to pull this out, there's one pop clip just here, so it's near the washer fluid reservoir. If you push a screwdriver in, it will come out. Make sure you pull that one out first, because otherwise it will rip out of there. What you also want to do is, you see there's a plastic trim piece here at the front, so you want to get your hands behind that, pop that off and disconnect the electrical connector that goes into here. Once you've done all of that, this will just lift up and out like so. Now that we've got the frunk removed, we've got access to this panel here. So the HEPA filter sits underneath this. So there's lots of T20s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you want to remove those 10 T20s. So once you've removed those T20s, this panel here will just lift up, as you can see. And now that's lifted up, we've got access to the HEPA filters here. So what we're going to do now is, we've got new ones from Tesla, so we'll get the new HEPA filters put into here, and then we'll start getting it reassembled. Here's our new HEPA filters from Tesla. This is the part number. So when you order this, you get 4 parts. You get 2 lowers and then 2 uppers. So what we'll do first is just pull these ones out. They just lift up. As you can see, these are super dirty. They're just full of dirt and grime. So yeah, time to replace them. And then the bottom ones, they're a bit harder. They're held in like a rubber seal. Now these ones aren't too bad because these filters are protected by the top filters, but when you do it, you replace all 4 anyway. There you go. So what we do now is pop open our new ones and make sure they're fully seated down. And then once they're done, crack open the 2 top filters. Now it's important to note that those ones, they only go one way, but the airflow arrow points down. So when you're fitting these, there's airflow arrows on them. Make sure that the airflow is going down and then the side faces up is up. It's all written on them, so you can't really get it wrong. So now it's time to put the panel back on and those 10 T20s, and then we can build the front back up. What we're then going to do is go inside and we're going to reset the HEPA filter maintenance inside the car. And then whilst you've got the car out and you're at this stage, it's worth giving all this a little wipe down, getting any loose leaves out, any debris. Just give the whole thing a little wipe over. There you go, HEPA filter replaced. Now, next thing you want to do is come into the vehicle, go on to maintenance, and you'll see here you've got all of the things that are due. So we've just done the HEPA filter, so we'll click on that, click on record, so record it today at the current mileage, confirm, and there you go, HEPA filter is done. I'm also going to do the cabin filter on this in a minute, but for now, that's the video on the HEPA filter replacement. Now, if you have any questions or queries about that, or you want any help, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, any other Model Y videos that you need doing, or things you're wondering about how you do them, pop them down in the questions below and I'll do my best to help you where I can. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.